Okay, during this final round, we're going to use our last improvement strategy, which is to reduce variation. So we're going to put the process back to our base case of average capacity of 3.5, but we're going to reduce the variation so that it can only vary between 3 and 4 rather than between 1 and 6. So the way I'm going to simulate that is if I throw a 1, 2 or a 3 on the dice, I'm going to read it as a 3, and if I throw a 4, 5 or a 6, I'm going to read it as a 4. So I've reduced the variation but around the same average that I had before. So we're going to start the ball rolling. Okay, so I've got a 4, so that means that's 4. First step in the process here, I throw a 1, so that I read that as a 3, so 3 move on. I got 4, so those 3 move on. I got a 2, so I read that as a 3, so the 3 move on. A 4, so that moves on. A 3, so that moves on. And finally a 3, so the customer gets 3. So first round, they get 3. So then we kick off again, it's the second cycle. I throw in a 1, so that's 3. I throw in a 5, so that's 4. So all 4 of these move on. And shortly I'm going to stop the video because you know what's going to happen next. So again, I've thrown a 5, so we get all 4 are going to move on to that step. And thrown a 2, so there's 3, move on. Okay, so I'll leave it there for now and we'll come back so you can see what it looks like at the end.